Farah! Sister, wake up!
Adair, is that you?
Yes, let me see you. Wake up, Farah! Let me see you, sister. How long have you been in solitary?
10 days.
You look sick.
No food or water.
Sister,
It's okay. I can take it.
why have they put us together like this?
They're using you to get to me.
They would have to kill me first.
No, Adair. I need you alive.
Look. I stole a key.
To what?
We will find out. Here, take it. Catch it.
Got it.
Good. Hide it. General Barkov is coming. He knows about the messages. Does he know that you are Karim?
We'll see.
Oh, look. Family reunion. Oh, nice.
Go fuck.
You want us to stop, you tell me the truth. Ведете его на склад. Make him talk. This one's all mine. Very.
Keep your hands over, you thick bastard! I'll kill you! All of you!
I hope you had a nice visit with your brother. You might never see him again. Shut up and go in the corner. Wrong corner. Do not face me, Farah. Any plans you have to escape, you will soon forget. Face me now. It's hotter than hell in this shithole country. You must be so thirsty. Want some? None left. Let's get you some water. Very. Follow me. In there. The chair, Farah. There will be no escape, Farah. No one is coming to your rescue. I'm in control here. And I can make your life much, much easier. Now, tell me about Commander Karim and the failed message.
Karim is dead.
Stop protecting him. Protect yourself. I've been patient with you, but no more. Stay awake and you might see your brother one last time. He's gonna give you a drink. Try to breathe. Breathe, Farah. You can do it. Ha, that's it. You can't breathe water. Find some air. There you go. Other side, Farah. Get a clean breath. I thought you wanted to see your brother. Toughen up. Again. Oh, Farah, that's water. Find air. Good girl. Молодец. Good for you, Farah. Good. That's enough for now. So strong, Farah. Keep it up and you will see, Hadir. One more time. Who is Karim?
I told you, Karim is dead.
Lying for him again. Cost you. Доводи! I found one of your sisters.
I said nothing, Farah.
It's okay, Azadeh.
Quiet. Her life is in your hands now, Farah. Stay awake, she lives. Pass out, she dies. Еще раз! I'll make it tougher this time. Not that way, Farah! You can't hold your breath forever. Let me make this perfectly clear. I call the shots. I gave you a chance to save a life. Now let me show you how to take one.
Don't, she is harmless.
Берите это. See what you made me do. You must be hungry, Farah. Huh? Eat. Then we'll talk. Come on. You think this is a game? Huh? You think you can beat me? Enough games! Your brother took a key from me. Where is it?
Did you lose a key?
One is missing, but we have others.
What does the key open?
You think you're so smart? Karim. Huh? Yes. I know. I've known all along. Now, where is the key your brother stole from me? Go on.
I have it.
I know you do. You've been hiding it all along. This country is a breeding ground for terrorists. I am here to bring law and order to this land. And no terrorist thief will harm my country. I will protect Russia. Quiet. Что здесь происходит? Заберите их на складе и спалите его нахер! You didn't save your people, Farah Karim. You killed them. Вертолеты, быстро! Всех
Nice little shiv. Okay, I must go now. Yes. Good. Rocks. Yes, it worked. Doesn't fit. Have to get in there. I can use this to climb.
Я заберу бунтарку из подвала. Быстрее, потом заберем других наверху. Кто передвинул стул? Перекомы открыты! Твою мать, она сбежала! Орка меня убьет! Чего меня? Это же твоя секция! Черт, найди ее и убей! Я слышу движение. Это она! Так, ищи ее, болван! Я пытаюсь! Пытайся лучше! Эй, ты там! Где ты? Опять на работе спишь! Найди девчонку! Ты меня слышишь? Чё? Что? Вот черт! If you're in here, there's only one way out! You might as well give up! Сколько человек? Небольшой отряд! Там посмотри! Может, лучше ты? Вот она идёт! Это спасение! Или победа!
I'm coming, sisters.
Farah, over here!
Sisters,
You escaped.
I knew she would.
The guards left. What's happening?
Thank you, sister.
Farah, come! The guns are here.
Thanks, Adia.
Did Barkov kill Azadeh down there?
Yes, let's kill him.
The guards are coming back. Quickly, we'll ambush them.
How? Point and shoot until they fall, like we said. Well done, sisters! Barkov locked the others in the warehouse. Let's get there before they're all dead.
We have the upper hand, sisters! Kill them all!
Free the others from the warehouse before it's too late. On me, sisters!
The warehouse! Come on! Look, top of the tower!
It's a sniper! He's protecting the warehouse!
That's where the prisoners are!
Let's get there!
Follow Karim!
Go!
Come on! Flash your vehicle!
Aim for it!
He's aiming for you, Farah! Now, give him a rocket grenade!
Aim
Good kill. There's a way through here, Karim. The others must be inside. Karim, we're at the storage door. Lead us in. There's a way through here, Karim. The others must be inside. Karim, we're at the storage door. Lead us in.
Вот ты где! Пустой!
Don't shoot! Please!
Who's Commander Karim?
I'm Karim.
We got your messages.
Lieutenant John Price. Where are the others?
In there. Straight ahead.
Stay close. Well, let's go, boys. Got to. He's burning the evidence.
And the prisoners!
We're gonna breach. Stay back! No. All clear. Okay, let's get them out of there. Run up the street.
I can't!
Get that door
It's
open.
locked.
Pull it! Right!
Hadir!
Keep pulling!
Sister,
Hadir, it's okay.
again.
Yes.
You did it. You did it.
Catch your breath. Collect survivors and supplies. We're leaving.
Go north. Avoid the highway. Bravo 6 to Cobalt 4, confirming station time.
10 minutes.
Rog, hold orbit. Hurry now. Barkov's gonna come and claim his dead.
Yalla, Tazerna.
Hey, fella.
You know he's gonna make you pay for this.
We will make them pay.
We'll be ready.
My men have cleared the road to the north. You can camp there, it's safe.
Thank you.
The revolution begins now, sister.
The war begins now, brother.
Even war is a high ground. Stay on it. Bravo 6, wheels up in 2.
Years of civil war.
There's nothing simple about it.
Hadir's well trained. Teamed up, kidnapped, doesn't matter. He took the gas to Russia,
No,
John.
he did that without Katala's help.
Got the network and the manpower.
Can you blame him, right?
Unofficially, no. But this is bigger than Hadir now. We've got two options.
Or we warn Moscow.
Or we let Mother Russia have a taste of her own medicine.
No, a lot of innocent people are gonna die.
At the hands of a Western asset.
Okay, so let's cut to the chase.
What do you suggest?
A business trip.
Unsanctioned?
Black.
Who's your team?
Some old comrades.
And the sergeant?
He's ready.
I can get you in after that. You're on your own. Host nation weapons only.
Leave it to me. It's a hell of a view, Nikolai.
Was the capital before Moscow?
The good old days.
I got 2 on the door. More Alcotel inside. Vehicle inbound.
Watch him.
Good spot. Parking here sucks.
That's the butcher in the yellow shirt.
Blaster from the embassy.
No gas.
No, Hadir.
Easy shot.
Tempting.
Oh, how fast? The butcher gets us to Hadir.
Well, the gas attack goes off.
Well, if that happens, then we're all fucked. Let's gear up. Get evil. Clock's ticking.
This way.
What's the time frame?
Hours or less.